Welcome to another one of our tutorials. This one today we're going to show you how to set up a new user account on WordPress that is a user under the administrator role. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is go to your website with the /wp-admin, or if you've changed this it may be a different place you need to go. Okay, after signing in you'll be greeted with this dashboard area similar to what I have here. You'll have various menu links along the left hand side for your different plugins and features and so on. What you want to do here is just go to the users link, just click on the link itself, or alternatively you could have clicked on add new. And now on this section here you just go up the top and click add new, and first thing you need to do is put in the username, and an email address, and then a password. For this user I'm just going to generate a password, and I'm going to change the role just here from subscriber to administrator, and then I'm going to click add new user. Now you can see we've now got two users here that are both of the administrator role. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.